Wilbinga! Wilbinga! Deflating for the trouble. Gopro shot. Bam. Wilbinga! Wilbinga! Yeah. That's my Hi, Jeremy. Wilbinga. Wilbinga. Whatever happened to like a rip-off? It's not that pot. It's not underneath the pile. Look at this. Oh, this is... How you doing, bro? That's mad. Bro, you okay, bro? It's so funny. Gopro update. Well, Jeremy, what just happened? Tom, this guy, he gets a service. What else happens, Isaac? There's no oil in the engine. No oil in the engine. And it's fucked. That guy over there. Let's go see how he is. What? What? Gotta do it? Give us an update, Tom. Do what? Well, I mean, get back to the road. Oh, is that the way he said? Well, I think he said that Tom, way. You don't want to be like that guy there. Do not want to be like that guy. So what's happened to your car, Tom? Go for a update. I still don't know where to go. Update. We're gonna go to the main road and what are we doing? Gonna try and find some sort of mechanics. Tom's car's a bit screwed, making a really loud squeaky, tingy, rangy, tangy sound. There's no oil in the engine. Classic Holden Rodeos. Classic Rodeo, should have tried. Exactly. Listen to this beast. Mate, she's a freaking freak. Well. Wilbinga! Look at this! What's happening here? Oh no, Isaac. Bloody Tomo. Well, I'm a bit pissed off. Tom hit the back of my car. Like a dickhead. Oh no. Oh, Jesus. Well, this isn't going too well. No. Well, we got Tomo to the end of the road. Just gotta wait for his papa boy to come pick him up. We're gonna keep going on the adventure. So see you later, Tom. See you later, Tomo! Later, Tomo. He's just depressed. Poor boy. Yeah, I would be. What's going on the roof?
What did we catch, Jeremy?
We caught some
Whiting. Get a close up on that.
whiting.
So we're gonna cook them with beer because that's all we have. Oh yeah. A bit of that in there. Not really ideal, but it smells bloody good. It really doesn't. It's important you do it with Great Northern beer. Let them see that. See, it's got a fish on it, which means it's used for fish. Now that smells brilliant. Right, I think that's good. Should we get these fish on, Jeremy?
I reckon we should.
Alright. Have a look at this. Whiting,
Nice.
a lot of them don't have many to cook. And yeah, we'll let that do its thing. I'm going to get a spatula.
Spatula.
Cooking up great. Jeremy's over here stoking the fire. How's that going, Jeremy? Going well? It's going great. Oh. Yeah, nice. Go for Jeremy.
It's actually not too bad.
A lot of bones in mine, but hey, that's just pretty good. Glorious. Oh, I got the angle here. It's not real. Magnificent. What do we got here? Look hard. Look hard, dude. How you going, mate? Can you get off the trail? Go on. Go on. Mate, he's not moving.